I recently purchased the 17.5 square steel charcoal grill with wheels, and I'm quite impressed with its performance and design. The compact size is perfect for small patios or balconies, while still providing ample cooking space for a small gathering. The steel construction feels sturdy and durable, and the black finish adds a sleek touch. One of the standout features is the mobility. The wheels make it easy to move the grill around, even when it's full of charcoal. Assembly was straightforward and the instructions were clear. The grill heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, which is great for achieving those perfect grill marks. However, the size might be a bit limiting if you're planning to cook for a larger group, so keep that in mind. Also, the lack of a lid thermometer can make temperature management a bit challenging. Overall, it's a solid grill for its size, offering great value for the price. If you're looking for an affordable and functional grill for smaller spaces, this one is definitely worth considering. I hope this review helps.